The Philippine Navy may soon receive one of its most significant force multipliers yet, an aircraft that has quietly guarded the seas of Japan for decades. While much of the spotlight has focused on new frigates, offshore patrol vessels, submarines, and fighter aircraft, another potential acquisition has remained largely under the radar. Behind the scenes, serious discussions have reportedly been taking place regarding the possible transfer of Japan's legendary P-3C Orion maritime patrol aircraft to the Philippine Navy. If these negotiations succeed, the Philippines could finally gain the long-range maritime surveillance and anti-submarine warfare capability it has lacked for decades. More importantly, this development would dramatically strengthen the country's ability to monitor the vast waters of the West Philippine Sea at a time when regional security challenges continue to grow. The Lockheed P-3C Orion is one of the world's most respected maritime patrol aircraft. Originally developed during the Cold War, the aircraft has served with numerous allied nations for decades and has built a reputation as one of the most effective submarine hunters ever produced. Powered by 4 turboprop engines, the P-3C combines exceptional endurance with remarkable reliability. Unlike fast-moving fighter aircraft, the Orion is designed to spend long hours over the ocean, slowly scanning the sea below using an extensive suite of sensors. Its operational range exceeds 4,000 kilometers, allowing it to patrol vast areas without needing frequent refueling. Even more impressive is its ability to remain on station for extended periods, giving commanders continuous surveillance over critical maritime regions. For an archipelagic nation like the Philippines, endurance is often more valuable than speed. But range is only one part of the story. The true strength of the P-3C Orion lies in its sophisticated mission systems. The aircraft can carry powerful maritime search radar capable of detecting ships over great distances. Electro-optical and infrared sensors provide detailed visual identification during both day and night operations. Magnetic anomaly detection equipment allows the aircraft to identify submarines hidden beneath the surface by sensing disturbances in Earth's magnetic field. The Orion can also deploy sonobuoys into the ocean, creating underwater listening networks capable of tracking submarine movements over large areas. Together, these sensors transform the aircraft into an airborne command center dedicated to maritime surveillance and anti-submarine warfare. For the Philippine Navy, such a capability would be revolutionary. As neighboring countries continue expanding their submarine fleets, underwater threats in the region are becoming increasingly important throughout the Indo-Pacific. China continues operating one of the world's largest submarine forces. Several Southeast Asian nations have also invested heavily in modern diesel-electric submarines. Even friendly regional partners are strengthening their underwater capabilities as maritime security becomes a growing concern throughout the Indo-Pacific. Without dedicated maritime patrol aircraft, detecting submarines across the country's vast waters becomes an extremely difficult task. The P-3C Orion changes that equation. Instead of relying solely on frigates equipped with hull-mounted sonar or helicopters with limited endurance, the Philippine Navy could deploy Orions to search enormous areas before directing surface forces toward identified contacts. This dramatically increases both efficiency and operational awareness. Even more importantly, the Orion would not operate alone. It would become a key part of a much larger maritime surveillance network currently being developed under the Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization program. The Philippine Navy's new Miguel Malvar-class frigates, equipped with advanced sensors and anti-submarine warfare capabilities, would benefit enormously from long-range targeting and surveillance information provided by the aircraft. Future AW159 Wildcat helicopters could then be dispatched to investigate submarine contacts identified by the Orions. Coastal radar systems supplied by Japan, satellite imagery, unmanned aerial systems, and future command and control networks would all contribute to a more comprehensive maritime picture. Instead of isolated platforms, the AFP is gradually building an integrated surveillance ecosystem. The Orion could become one of its most valuable airborne components. The possible arrival of Japan's P-3C Orion may not generate headlines like stealth fighters or missile-equipped frigates,
but it has the potential to become one of the most strategically important acquisitions under the Philippine military modernization program. With unmatched endurance, proven anti-submarine warfare capabilities, and exceptional maritime surveillance performance, the Orion could dramatically enhance the Philippine Navy's ability to monitor and protect the nation's maritime interests across the West Philippine Sea.
While negotiations continue and no official transfer has yet been finalized, the discussions themselves reflect a rapidly evolving defense partnership between Japan and the Philippines, one built on shared security interests, growing interoperability, and a common commitment to maintaining stability throughout the Indo-Pacific. If these aircraft eventually arrive by 2027, they could become one of the defining capabilities of the Philippine Navy's next generation, providing the eyes and ears needed to safeguard one of the world's most strategically important maritime regions.